Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete your Gmail account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Now to delete your Gmail account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in gmail.com like this. First, you'll be required to log into your Gmail account. Since I have already logged into my Gmail account, you can see I have been directly logged into my Gmail account. You'll be required to do the same. First, log into your Gmail account on your preferred browser, and on the top right corner of the screen over here where I'm hovering right now, there is your profile picture icon. Click over there, and when you click over there, you can see the manage a Google account option available over here. Click on manage a Google account. And over here you can see on this interface there is the privacy and personalization. You have the security tips available over here for your Gmail or the Google account. Now to delete your Gmail account, on the left side of your screen you can see the data and privacy option available over here. Click on data and privacy, and after that on this page you'll be required to go to the end of the page. So let's scroll down, and at the end of the page you can see the delete your Google account option available over here with delete your entire account and data. Click over there, and first you'll be required to enter the password of your Gmail account which you want to delete, and I have already entered my password because my password has been auto-filled by Gmail itself. Let's click on next, and over here now to delete your account, a verification code will be sent to your mobile number first. So I'll click on get a verification code at mobile, and let's wait for the code to arrive. And the code has arrived. Let's enter the code, and after that let's click on next. And on this page you can still be required to end all of your connection with Google itself, like your Google Payment Center, your AdSense, your blogs, your Gmail, your calendar, your contacts, your Google apps, everything. You'll be required to click on these check marks after you read all of these, and click on these boxes too, which says you acknowledge that you are responsible for any charge incurred due to any financial transaction pending. And after that you are also willing to permanently delete your Google account, and it's all set, and click on delete account, and then your Gmail account will be permanently deleted from the Google itself or the Gmail itself. And there guys, this is how you delete your Gmail account from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.